Welcome to our comparison of two fantastic countertop ice makers, the SMUG and Sweetcrispy models. Both machines boast impressive features, including the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and a daily output of 26 pounds. In this video, we will explore their specifications, advantages, and disadvantages to help you decide which one suits your lifestyle best. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The SMUG Countertop ice maker is priced at $69, making it the more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy model comes in at $79. While the price difference is only $10, it can be significant for consumers looking for value. Both machines offer similar features, but the SMUG's lower price may appeal to those on a tighter budget. Next, let's discuss water capacity. The SMUG model has a larger water tank, holding 1.5 liters, which means less frequent refills. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy has a smaller 1.2-liter tank, requiring more attention during use. For those who plan to use their ice maker frequently, the larger tank of the SMUG could be a significant advantage. Finally, let's consider noise levels. The SMUG model does not specify its noise level, which could be a concern for some users. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy model operates at under 40 decibels, making it a quieter choice for those who may use it in an office or small apartment. If noise is a factor for you, the Sweetcrispy might be the better option. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer excellent features for producing ice quickly and efficiently. If you prioritize price and larger water capacity, the SMUG is the way to go. However, if you value quieter operation and a more compact design, the Sweetcrispy may be worth the extra cost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like